Welcome, in front of me is REALME Note 70T, and in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your fingerprint scanner doesn't recognize your fingerprint correctly. So, in such case, you'll have to set up a new fingerprint model for your device. To do that, go to Settings, then select Security and Privacy. Here go to Device Unlock section, then go to Fingerprint and Face Unlock. Now select fingerprint, and if you have any fingerprints enrolled on your device, then first of all remove them, and then agree and proceed by adding a fingerprint, but remove any case before you do that if you have any case on your device. Then use a dry towel to wipe the surface of the fingerprint scanner with it. And begin pressing the fingerprint scanner using your finger, and try using different parts of your fingerprint to ensure the best experience. Just slightly press the scanner with different parts of your finger. Okay, click done. And before we proceed, go back to the settings, go to System and Update, and check if your device has any updates to install. And if it does, then please take your time and download and install any software updates for your device. Then, before we proceed, let's restart the phone to make sure that this change is applied. Press volume up key and the power button together and select restart, and then wait until your device restarts. And now let's check how your fingerprint works. Let the phone start first. Then try to unlock it using your fingerprint. Let's check the sensor once again. And as you can see, it went pretty smooth for me. I hope that it did for you too. And if you liked this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.